Hello everyone, welcome to the Tableau Consultant Certification Exam Preparation Question Series Part 4. Check out the first 3 videos for the first 30 questions. Moving to the question number 31. A company has a strict data security and access control requirements. They need to ensure that only authorized users can view and interact with specific dashboard and data sources. Which Tableau features should be recommended to meet these governance requirements? Here answer is Tableau server site roles and permissions. These allow administrator to control user access to dashboard and data sources, and it will only give authority of view and interact with the specific content. Tableau public is the public site. We cannot give access or we cannot govern this. We cannot regulate this. So Tableau public is the wrong answer. Tableau Reader is again allow users to view package workbook but does not provide access control features. So this is not a correct option. And Tableau Bridge is used to connect Tableau online with on-premises data but does not address user control directly. So our answer is Tableau server site roles and permissions. Moving to the next question. An organization needs to ensure data governance policies to ensure that sensitive information is not exposed to unauthorized users. They also require auditing capabilities to track who accesses and modify dashboards. Which combination of Tableau features should be recommended? So here answer is a C. Tableau server with data source permission and access logging. This allow admin to control access to data sources, and access logging provides auditing capabilities to track interactions with dashboards. So this is the correct option. Option A is saying Tableau desktop or Tableau public. They do not provide necessary governance and auditing capabilities. So this is the wrong answer. Tableau reader and Tableau extract. So this again do not provide governance capabilities. And Tableau prep and Tableau mobile. Prep is a data cleaning and data modifying tool, and Tableau mobile is a tool we can use to uh, see our dashboard in a mobile. So neither these both are not providing governance and auditing features. So our option is a C, Tableau server with data sources permission and access logging. Moving to the next question. A large organization needs to ensure that different departments can only access their own dashboard and data sources on Tableau server. What is the best strategy to secure access to content? Here our answer is create separate Tableau server site for each department and assign permissions accordingly. So this will control over access and permission, ensuring that each department can have only access to their own contents, own dashboard, own data sources. So that's why option D is correct. Option A is saying use Tableau public to publish dashboard for each department. So again, Tableau publish is a public site. It will not give any security for sensitive organization content. It is as it is a publicly available. Option B, share Tableau workbooks through email with password project protection. Again again this is not a suitable option, as sharing the workbook through email with password project protection, it is not scalable or secure method for managing access. You need to send a mail every time for each workbook. And option C is saying the Tableau desktop to create a separate workbook for each department. Yeah, this does not provide the same level of access control and security as per the Tableau server, because you can create the workbook on a desktop and you need to publish it on a server to manage access and security. Moving to the next question. An organization wants to implement a strategy to maintain user permission efficiently across multiple projects on Tableau server. What is the most effective method to achieve this? Here option is B. Use user groups and project roles to manage permissions, as this is efficient management for permissions by applying setting at the group level, which can then be inherited by all the users within that group across multiple projects. So the user in that group are able to access uh, all the dashboard, those are given permission for that project roles, right? That's why B option is correct. Assigning permission directly to each user for every individual product project is a time consuming and difficult to manage. That's why option A is not feasible here. Option C, public dashboard on public Tableau public with restricted access. As again, Tableau public does not support restricted access as it is a public site. Option D, use Tableau Reader to distribute dashboard to users. Again, it does not provide a way to manage permission or secure access to content. So our option B is correct. Use user groups and project roles to manage permissions. Going to the next question. A multinational corporation wants to organize its Tableau server content by department and region to ensure easy access and efficient management. Which strategy should be recommended to achieve this? Here option C is the answer. Create a separate site for each department and use project within each site for region, which allows which allows for clear segregation and efficient management of permission and content. For the larger organization, creating a separate site would be the better solution, and in that site you can create a multiple project for different department for that uh, corporations. So option C is correct. Create a single site on Tableau server and use folder for each department and region. This is again a feasible solution, but uh, not for the multinational corporation, because this single site does not provide the same level of organization and security as per separate site and project. So if you have to uh, minimize the access within the site, then option C is the better feasible solution, as it's creating multiple sites. Option B is saying use Tableau public to publish all content and organize it using a tags. So again, Tableau public is publicly available. We cannot govern this. So it's not a correct option. Option D is saying use single project for all content and assign permission individually. So this is not a scalable and efficient for large organization, as we have a multinational corporation. We cannot give uh, permissions or assign permission for each and every user every time. So option C is correct to create multiple sites. Moving to the next question. An organization needs to organize its Tableau server content by user role and ensure that data analyst managers and executives have access to different sets of dashboards and reports. What is the best strategy to achieve this? So here answer is option A. Create a project on Tableau server for each user role and assign the appropriate permissions. This ensures that each user role has access to the relevant dashboard and the projects, and this will streamline the access control and management. uh, so only the users can have permission, can access those dashboard. So that's why option A is correct. Option B is saying use Tableau Reader to distribute dashboards and report. So this will not secure your data, as Tableau Reader is only way to read the workbook. It will not give to manage. It will not a way give a way to manage a permission or secure access to content by user roles. So option B is incorrect. Option C, create a separate workbook for each user role and share them via email. So sharing workbook via email is not secure and efficient for managing access in a large organization. That's option C is not correct. Publish all dashboard in a single project and use individual user permission. Using a single project with individual user permission is not scalable or efficient for organization having you need to share by user role. So this D option is not also feasible here, so option A is correct. Moving to the next question. A company wants to ensure that only reliable and accurate data sources are used in their Tableau server environment. They also want to minimize the risk of data proliferation. Which strategy should be recommended to achieve this? So your answer is option B. Implement a data certification process and restrict data sources creation to certified user. So implementing this process, uh, we can only publish reliable and accurate data sources on the server. By restricting data sources creation to certified users help minimize data proliferation. So this will work at this situation. So option B is correct. Option A is saying allow all users to create and publish their own data sources without restriction. This will increase the proliferation and decrease the data quality, as everyone going to uh, deploy their own data sources. It may uh, create a duplicate data sources also. So this is not a feasible solution. So option C saying use a Tableau public to publish all data sources and rely on a community feedback for quality control. So again, Tableau public is not suitable for internal data management and quality control. It's a public site, publicly available, so it's not feasible solution, or it's rather incorrect option. D option, create a single shared data source for all users to minimize data proliferation. So creating a single data source might minimize proliferation but does not address the need for the data certification or quality assurance, because you can have multiple data sources for the multiple projects. So this is not a feasible solution here. So option B is correct. Moving to the next question. An organization needs to ensure data quality and consistency across its Tableau environment. They want to implement data quality warnings to alert users about potential issues with data sources. Which Tableau features should be recommended? So here option D is correct. Utilize data quality warnings in a Tableau server and Tableau online. So this allow admin to flag potential issues with the data sources and ensuring users are aware of any problem that might affect data quality. So this is the best solution for this, to utilize data quality warning in a Tableau server. Option A is saying use Tableau prep to clean and prepare data before publishing. This is okay. Tableau prep is used for data cleaning but does not provide a real-time data quality warning, because prep is only for the data cleaning and preparation. You cannot set a warning on the data. That's why option is incorrect. Option B, use third-party data quality tool to monitor and manage data source. So again, rely on a third-party tool might help, but Tableau built-in data quality are specifically designed for that. So no need to use any third-party tool. So data quality warning is the better solution. That's why option B is feasible but not correct. Moving to option C, rely on user feedback to identify and correct data quality issue. Rely on user feedback is not a proactive approach, because as user is saying the issue on the dashboard directly, so it's not the feasible solution, rather it's not a correct way to go. That's why option D is correct. Utilize data quality warning. Moving to the next question. A Tableau consultant needs to evaluate compliance with the organization's data governance strategy. They want to use data catalog to track the data lineage and ensure all data sources meet the governance standard. Which feature of Tableau should they leverage? So here they can use Tableau data catalog with the lineage. So option C is correct. Tableau prep is again for the data preparation and cleaning. Tableau Public is a platform for sharing visualization for publicly, and this is publicly available. And Tableau Desktop is used for creating visualization and analysis, but does not provide data lineage tracking features. So option C is correct. Tableau Data Catalog. Moving to the next question. An organization wants to ensure that all published data sources comply with their governance strategy by evaluating data lineage. How can Tableau Data Catalog help achieve this goal? So here option B is correct, by providing visual representation of the data lineage and metadata. So this allows organization to track and evaluate compliance with their governance strategy. So that's why this option B is correct. Option A is saying by automatically correcting data quality issue in data sources. So Tableau data catalog does not do automatic correction in the data sources. So that's why option A is incorrect. Option C, by restricting access to data sources based on user, this will does not solve or directly address the evaluation of the data lineage issue. So that's why option C is incorrect. And option D is saying by exporting data sources to an external governance tool for evaluation. This is not necessary when data catalog provides built-in capability for evaluating data lineage. So no need to do this. This is not a feasible or rather than incorrect solution. That's why option B is correct. Use this inbuilt features of data catalog, which gives us visual representation of the data lineage and metadata. Thank you everyone. Subscribe for more. We'll meet in the next video.